Hello all. Now our next topic is functions. Functions is a very powerful tool in the Excel through which we can do calculations very fast and without mistake. So first we discuss what is function there. So functions means a pre-designed formula. It is a pre-installed formula in the Excel there. You only require to write the name and the arguments, or you can say inputs to the function, and it will do the work. It is used for simplex as well as for the complex calculations also, and it accepts arguments and return the values. You can say arguments as the inputs there. There are a few rules and regulations before writing the names of the functions there, that all Excel functions or formulas must begin with the equal to symbol. Then all functions name must be a valid Excel name. It must be a SUM, MX like that. Means the spelling must be correct. Function name must be followed by an opening and closing parenthesis there. There is circular bracket. And function names are not case sensitive. Not case sensitive means you can write in the small letters or in the capital letters or the mix of them. Now just check a example of that. Few functions we are having. Suppose we have this table. I already calculated that few output of that means total, average, maximum, minimum, and the count number of employees getting the salary there. So first we discuss the total. For finding total of any number of the cells there, you just write a formula equals to sum, and as we discussed range already, so write the range there, and when you write it that, press enter key and you will get the result there. Now average, I think all of you know what is average. Average is what, when we divide the total number of total with the number of numbers, then we get the average there. So you can get the average with the functions also. So write the function equals to average and the range, and you will get the average of that particular range there. The next is maximum salary. Suppose you want to find the maximum number among these all the values given there. So just write max equals to max and the range, and this function will return the maximum number, maximum value of the number, and this will be the maximum salary of yours. Then we have to find the minimum salary. So we are writing here min with the equal to min and the range, and you will get the minimum salary among these selected, or you can say from the range. Now we can count the number of numbers what we are using in the range there. So you can just see here, next function is equals to count and the range. This will return the total number of numbers you are using or values you are using there. So this is all about the functions we are having. In the next video we'll discuss few more functions there. Thank you.